Ever found yourself needing to send money urgently, but that little voice of doubt creeps in, will it go through quickly enough? Or maybe you're making a larger payment and wondering if there's a limit that will cause a delay. We've all been there, especially when it comes to online banking and transferring funds. In today's fast-paced world, knowing the ins and outs of payment limits is crucial for smooth and stress-free transactions. Today, we're diving deep into a question many Lloyds Bank customers have: what exactly is the faster payment limit? It's a vital piece of information whether you're splitting a bill with friends, paying a tradesperson, or sending money to family. Understanding this limit can save you time, prevent unexpected hiccups, and ensure your money moves when and where you need it to. Now, before we get to the specific number, let's quickly recap what faster payments actually are. Introduced in the UK, Faster Payments is an initiative designed to reduce payment clearing times between different bank accounts. Unlike older methods that could take several hours or even a full business day, Faster Payments aims to get your money to the recipient within a few hours, often much quicker, sometimes even within minutes. This near real-time transfer has become the standard expectation for most online and mobile banking transactions. So, you're probably on the edge of your seat now. What's the magic number for Lloyds Bank? As of today, Saturday, April 5th, 2025, Lloyds Bank generally has a default faster payment limit of £25,000 per transaction for personal banking customers. However, and this is a crucial however, this isn't always a fixed, one-size-fits-all figure. Several factors can influence the actual limit you might encounter. Firstly, your account type can play a role. Some premium accounts or business accounts might have different default limits. It's always worth checking the specific terms and conditions of your account. Secondly, how you're making the payment can sometimes affect the limit. While the £25,000 typically applies to online and mobile banking transfers, there might be different limits for payments initiated through other channels, although this is less common with faster payments. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, Lloyds Bank employs security measures that can dynamically adjust your payment limits. These measures are in place to protect you from fraud. For example, if you're making a payment to a beneficiary you haven't paid before, or if the payment amount is significantly higher than your usual transactions, the system might flag it, and your limit for that specific transaction could be temporarily lower. In some cases, you might even be asked to verify the payment through a separate method, like a phone call or a one-time passcode sent to your mobile device. Furthermore, it's important to remember that the £25,000 limit is usually per transaction. While there might not be a strict daily limit on the number of faster payments you can make, the cumulative amount could trigger security alerts. If you need to make multiple large payments in a short period, it's always a good idea to contact Lloyds Bank beforehand to inform them and potentially avoid any delays or account restrictions. Now, what if you need to make a payment larger than the standard £25,000 faster payment limit? Don't worry, you usually have options. For larger sums, banks often utilize other transfer methods like SHAPS, Clearinghouse Automated Payment System. SHAPS payments are typically used for high-value transactions and offer guaranteed same-day clearing if instructed before a certain cutoff time, although they often come with a transaction fee. You would typically need to arrange a SHAPS payment through your online banking or by visiting a branch. To find the most up-to-date and specific information regarding your faster payment limit with Lloyds Bank, the best course of action is always to check your online banking portal or mobile app. This will often display your current payment limits. Alternatively, you can contact Lloyds Bank directly through their customer service channels, by phone, secure message, or by visiting a local branch. They will be able to provide you with the precise details relevant to your account. Understanding your bank's faster payment limit is a small but significant piece of financial knowledge that can make your life easier. It helps you plan your transactions effectively and avoids any last-minute surprises. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.